Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathilite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 21E from chapter trigonometry. So coming to question number 7, evaluate sub-question 1, 2 into tan 35 upon cot 55 the whole square plus cot 55 upon tan 35 the whole square minus 3 into sec 40 upon cosec 50. यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या करना है, हम लोग को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स वाला रिलेशन लाना है, ठीक है. We have to use that formula. For complementary, I had taught you earlier. Cos and sin are related, cot and tan are related, and cosec and sec are related. If you want to get into details, you have to refer to the earlier video where I have explained everything in detail. Now, we are coming to the question, इसका value find करना है, evaluate करना है. So, let us start solving. 35 and 55 are complementary angles, ठीक है. If you add them 90 हो रहा है. Same thing over here. And over here also 40 and 50 are complementary angles. When you add them 90 मिल रहा है. So let us use that over here. What you will do? You will convert either of these two, ठीक है. Not both of them, only one of them. Either convert tan, ठीक है, tan को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्म में लिखो या फिर cot को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्म में लिखो. Any one of them, not both numerator and denominator. So I'll let numerator remain as it is and I'll write denominator as this is 90 minus 35, ठीक है. I have to put box brackets over here. Square है. 55 is 90 minus 35, so cot 90 minus 35 plus same thing over here, cot 55. You can convert this also, it depends. You can either take numerator or denominator, दोनों को एक साथ नहीं लेना है. tan 35, so tan 90 minus 55 is 35 minus 3 sec 40 cosec. I am converting denominator, ठीक है. So 90 minus 40 is 50. It is very easy if you have referred to the earlier videos. Tan 35 cot रिलेशन cos एंड साइन cot एंड tan, तो cot 90 माइनस थीटा क्या हो जाएगा, tan थीटा. सो इट इज tan थीटा इज 35 प्लस cot 55 एज इट इज tan 90 माइनस थीटा इज cot थीटा. cot एंड tan इनवर्स दोनों का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रिलेशन है. सो दिस विल बिकम cot 55, ठीक है. कैंसिल 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 minus 3 into sec 40 upon cosec 90 minus theta. cosec and sec are related, ठीक है. so sec 40 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. it gets cancelled. 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 3 into 1 हो गया. 2 into 1 gives 2 plus 1 minus 3, so it is 3 minus 3 which gives 0. So the answer is 0. Okay. Coming to sub question 2, sec 26 into sin 64 plus cosec 33 upon sec 57. Now these two are complementary angles, 26 and 64. Add karo to you will get 90 degrees. Same thing over here, 33 and 57, they are complementary angles. So what you are going to do, any one of them, either of them, you have to convert them, okay, ठीक है. You have to write it in complementary form. So write any one of them in complementary form. Sec 26, I am writing it in complementary form, ठीक है. So it is 90 minus 64 and let this remain as it is. You have to convert only one of them, ठीक है. Plus cosec 33 upon sec, I'll write it in complementary form. It is 90 minus 33 gives 57. All right. Sec sec and cosec are related. So ये हो जाएगा cosec 64 into sin 64 plus cosec 33 upon sec and cosec. तो sec will become cosec. Theta is 33. Cancel, cancel. Cosec is 1 upon sin into sin. So this will also get cancelled. Alright. Plus 1. यहाँ पे भी 1 plus 1 it gives 2. So the value is 2. Coming to sub question 3. 5 sin 66 upon cos 24 minus 2 cot 85 upon tan 5. Again, these two are complementary angles and these two are also complementary angles. So what you will do? Convert either of them, write either of them in complementary form. ठीक है? So 5 into sin 66 upon, I'll write cos in complementary form, so it is 90 minus 66 minus 2 into cot 85 upon tan 90 minus 85 sin 66 upon sin 66 हो जाएगा cos and sin. ओके, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रिलेशन है. So this will get cancelled and over here cot 85 cot and tan, cos sin cot tan and cosec sec. All right, so ये हो जाएगा, sorry, cot 85. This also gets cancelled, so we are left with 5 minus 2 which gives 3. Okay, coming to sub question 4. Cos 40 into cosec 50 plus sin 50 into sec 40. 40 and 50 are complementary angles. So there are two terms related over here and two terms over here. What we'll do, convert either of them, write either of them in complementary form. Same thing over here. So let's start solving. I'll let cos remain as it is and I'll write this in complementary form. So it is 90 minus 40 plus sin को मैं ऐसे ही रहने देती हूँ. I'll write this in complementary form. Sec is 90 minus 50. So cos 40, cosec and sec are related. ठीक है, in complementary form. Cosec and sec. So this will become sec 40 plus sin 50 will remain as it is. Sec and cosec are related, so sec will become cosec. So cosec 50 cos 40 into 1 upon cos 40 gets cancelled. Sin 50 into 1 upon sin 50 it gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 which gives 2. Okay, so the final answer is 2. Coming to sub question 5. Sin 27 into sin 63 minus cos 63 into cos 27. Now 27 and 63 are complementary angles. Okay, so we'll use that formula only over here. You write these in the form of complementary angles and then you'll solve. Now there are 2-3 ways of solving this question. Okay, so I'll show you those 2-3 ways. Starting with the first method, what I'll do is I'll let this remain as it is. Okay, ये sin को as it is रहने दो, because you know कि sin and cos are related in complementary form. ठीक है, cos and sin complementary relation है. So what we'll do, ये जो cos दिख रहा है we'll write them in complementary form. So this becomes cos 90 minus 27 and this becomes cos 90 minus 63. This will remain as it is. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so sin 27, and this will also become sin 63. Sin A sin B minus sin A into sin B, it will get cancelled. It is like x into y minus x into y. तो क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स वाई माइनस एक्स वाई होता है 0. ओके, तो सेम थिंग हो गई और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. नाउ देयर इज वन मोर मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट मेथड इज, आई एम डायरेक्टली स्टार्टिंग विद द सोल्यूशन. लेट वन थिंग रिमेन एज इट इज एंड दूसरे को कन्वर्ट करो. सो आई एम लेटिंग साइन 27 रिमेन एज इट इज एंड ये साइन को कॉस के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. मतलब ये कॉस हो जाएगा, राइट इट इन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्म. 90 माइनस 27 माइनस, आई हैव लेट साइन रिमेन एज इट इज, साइन 27 एंड दिस विल बिकम कॉस 63, सो कॉस 27, सॉरी. सो यहाँ पे भी यू विल कन्वर्ट, यहाँ पे cos 27 मिलेगा. सो आई, दिस विल रिमेन एज इट इज, आई विल कन्वर्ट दिस ओवर हियर. ठीक है, इन शॉर्ट जितना भी 27 दिख रहा है उसको एज इट इज रहने दो एंड लेट कन्वर्ट द 63s. ठीक है, 63 को हम लोग को 27 के फॉर्म में लाना है. सो दिस वन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 63, सो लेट अस राइट इट इन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्म. सो दिस विल बिकम 90 माइनस 27 into cos 27, sin 27 into cos 27. sin and cos are related. ठीक है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्म में cos and sin. cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta into cos 27. This is again of the form xy minus xy, तो 0 हो जाएगा. सेम वे एक और मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. You will write this in complementary form. 63, let 63 remain as it is and 27 को write in complementary form. So whichever complementary angles, whichever 27 वाला दिख रहा है हम लोग को terms, okay, you will write them in complementary form and then it will get cancelled. Similar way में solve होगा. All right. Let's check sub question 6. 3 into sin 72 upon cos 18 minus sec 32 upon cos sec 58. 72 and 18, they are complementary angles. These are also complementary angles. So what you will do, write either of them in complementary form. So let us start solving. 3 into sin 72 upon cos 90 minus 72 हो जाएगा. Okay, I am writing the denominators in complementary form. Minus sec 32 upon cos sec 90 minus 32. 3 into sin 72 upon cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. ठीक है, cos and sin complementary form में related है. So this one will remain as it is. Cos sec and sec are related. ठीक है, so cos sec 90 minus theta becomes sec theta. So this will become sec 32. Cancel, 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 cancel. This becomes 3 minus 1, which is 2. Coming to sub question 6. 3 cos 80 into cos sec 10 plus 2 cos 59 into cos sec 31. 80 and 10 complementary है, even 59 and 31 they are complementary angles. So you will write either of them in complementary form. Okay, ये दोनों में से कोई भी one in complementary form and same thing over here. You will write either of them in complementary form. So let us start solving. 3 cos 80, I am writing this in complementary form. You can write this also, but you will write only one of them in complementary form. So into cos sec 90 minus 80 plus 2 cos 59 into cos sec 90 minus 59. 3 cos 80 into cos sec 90 minus theta. Cos sec and sec are related. So this will become sec theta. Okay, plus 2 into cos 59. Cosec will again become sec over here. 59. 3 cos 80 into 1 upon cos 80. Cos gets cancelled. Plus 2 into cos 59 into 1 upon cos 59. Sec is 1 upon cos. Alright. So 3 plus 2, which gives 5. Okay. Coming to sub question 8, cos 75 upon sin 15 plus sin 12 upon cos 78 minus cos 18 upon sin 72. 75 and 15 are complementary angles. Same thing over here, 12 and 78, and same thing over here. Okay, 18 and 72. So what you will do? Either numerator को complementary form में लिखो और denominator को complementary form में लिखो. Okay, any one of them. So let us start solving. Cos 75, I'll write the denominators in complementary form. Alright, so this will become sin 90 minus 75 plus sin 12 upon cos 90 minus 12 minus cos 18 upon sin 90 minus 18. Cos 75, cos and sin are related in complementary angle के relation. ठीक है. So cos and sin will become cos. Sin 90 minus theta gives cos theta. So this will get cancelled. Plus sin 12 upon cos 90 minus theta, it will give sin theta. So sin 12 degrees. This gets cancelled. Minus cos 18 upon sin 90 minus theta will become cos theta. So this will become cos 18. Again this gets cancelled. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 1. This gives 1. Okay.